Here's my home, all decorated for Christmas. Let's see. Here's my mantle. I've got all the stockings displayed. There's my doorway where I have my stockings and my bow. Outside my door I have a nice little, what the hell you call those things, wreath, Christmas wreath on the door. This is my tree. It's a small tree, granite. It's standing on a stool and I keep hitting the coffee table. But I like it. Didn't stop Rue from hopping in it though. But cats will be cats. And anyways, I thought I'd show you this. I love you. Bye.
Tidy, Rue was tidy. I got him. Tidy.
Sleeping.
Can Rue sleep?
Hello, this is
so.
with Tidy and Big.
Maybe if you lay it sideways,
Hey, I can see both of them. What's up?
or maybe she likes it that way. She can
She wouldn't be in there if she didn't like it.
die.
Yes. Wait. The mayor came to the hospital and asked my mother for the clock in the bag. She hadn't known she knew that. She recalled.
Kitty corner.
Hey, I can see.
It's the kid corner
Hey.
full of boxes.
Just staring at me like I have bananas.
For a second, you made that up. No. You didn't make it up.
Hey, don't give me.
That's how I wants to go to bed.
Besides, it had to be that size or it wouldn't fit under there.
Okay.
And I was just suggesting to her that I wake up
We're going inside to meet the
He's
cake.
trying to sleep.
Hello,
Leave
boy.
him alone.
Hello.